Benefits of apple pectin with source. Benefits: ulcerative colitis, constipation, diabetes, diarrhea, heartburn, high cholesterol, irritable bowel syndrome, metabolic syndrome. Now foods, apple pectin review. Description: intestinal support, dietary fiber, non-GMO, a dietary supplement, probiotics, enzymes, digestive, family owned since 1968, GMP Quality Assured. Apple pectin is a water-soluble fiber which has a gel-forming effect when mixed with water. As a dietary fiber, apple pectin may be helpful in supporting good intestinal health. Suggested use: take 2 capsules 1 to 2 times daily with 8 to 10 ounces of water or juice, preferably 30 minutes before meals. Be sure to consume additional fluids throughout the day. Start with smaller dosages and gradually increase over several weeks. Other ingredients: gelatin, capsule, and stearic acid, vegetable source. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish, or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.